Good afternoon, Don Ramon.
Oh, Don Barriga, what a pleasant surprise.
I suppose you already know why I'm here?
Of course, you came to say hello, right?
No, Don Ramon. I came for the rent.
The rent? Oh, right, that little detail.
It's been 11 months, Don Ramon. 11.
Has it been that long already? Time flies when you're unemployed.
Don Ramon, I need that payment. I can't keep waiting forever.
But think about it. If you wait a little longer, it'll be a full year.
That's not funny.
You're right. I wasn't trying to be. It's just, life is hard.
I understand, but responsibilities are responsibilities.
Can I pay you in kindness and good intentions?
No, Don Ramon. I accept cash.
I'll get a job. I'll work day and night. I'll even wash dishes.
You said that last month.
And I meant it last month, just like I mean it now.
Fine. I'll come back tomorrow, but this is the last chance.
Thank you, Don Barriga. You have the heart of a saint.
Just make sure I don't need the patience of one too.
Hey, Don Ramon, can I borrow your hammer?
My hammer? What for, Chavo?
I want to fix the broken chair in the patio.
Are you sure you're not going to break it more?
No, I'm going to make it look brand new.
Fine. But be careful. That hammer is older than me.
Wow, so it's from the time of the dinosaurs?
No, Chavo. I meant it's valuable.
Don't worry, I'll take good care of it.
Okay. But if you lose it, you'll have to pay me.
With what? I only have 2 lollipops and a piece of bread.
Then give me the lollipops now, just in case.
Oh, okay. But you have to share one.
Deal. Now, go fix that chair before someone else breaks it again.
Yes, sir. I'm the best fixer in the whole neighborhood.
Just don't fix anything else, please.